how you doing? I hope everybody's fine today. We're going to do a really cute craft today. Super easy to do, guys, as usual. I try to make it as simple and as easy as I can for everybody. We're going to do April showers, spring May flowers. We're going to take an umbrella. I found this umbrella at Aldi's, and it's a kid's umbrella. You can use an adult umbrella to do this as well. I call it, you got to look for the penguin umbrella, and if any of you are like my age, you know the old Batman and the penguin and his umbrella. That's the type of umbrella you want. The shorter ones won't work for this. So I found mine just going at Aldi's and shopping a couple weeks ago, and I thought, oh, perfect. I love the colors. It's a yellow and a green color, and I love that. So it's really easy to do, guys. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Plus, at the end of this, stay tuned because I'm going to show you when we did our haul, I'm going to do a craft out of something I bought from the thrifting haul that me and Patty did last week. So stay tuned for that. So you'll get 2 in 1. But this little umbrella project is so easy to do, and it is so cute when it's hanging up. This can be hung up on your door, your wall, anywhere really. You know, it's just it's a cute project, and it's easy to do, and it's very inexpensive. And you know, guys, I try to keep the crafts where it's inexpensive that everybody can do. Okay, my umbrella that I found at Aldi's was $4.99, so $5, and the rest of the flowers in that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, or a lot of them I had on hand anyway, so I just did it. And the ribbon I've always had. I have gobs of ribbon. So the ribbon I had, so easy craft, cute, and I hope you guys try it. Have a great day. Let's get to crafting, y'all. Hey guys, you're just going to take your umbrella, and like I said, this is a children's umbrella, and I just love the colors. Like I said, I got it at Aldi's a couple weeks ago. Then you're just going to pick flowers that you like. If you don't like the ones like I pick, you know, you pick whatever you have. I like some of them to drape down. I just kind of think it gives it a cool effect. And I did get that from the Dollar Tree, those little things that are hanging down. And then you're just going to build. And I took out of some arrangements like this hydrangea. I took it out of another arrangement I had. And I just love it. I love hydrangeas. So to me, that represents some spring to see the hydrangeas. Then you just add some greenery in the back. And just like I said, just build up your color scheme the way you want. You'll if you're like me, you're going to turn it around. I did not glue this in, guys. I just stuck them down in there. You could glue it, I guess, if you wanted to. I love the purple. I just think purple always reminds me of spring. And you just, like I said, just keep building, and you'll see where I change the colors because I got to me the same color. I don't like it there. And you'll probably do the same thing. But most of this I had on stash, or some of it I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Just, you know, like I said, take out of other arrangements I had. I'm a person that loves to repurpose, so I keep as much as I can and reuse it in different projects all the time. And like I said, you're just going to keep rebuilding. And build up and build up and build up. See how fast I did this, guys? I mean, this is super easy, super fast project to do, and it is so cute when it's hanging up. Now I'm going to show you how I made the bows, and I made several different ribbon bows to add to this. This is called like the medical bow. It's sort of like the breast cancer awareness bow. Cross it over like that. Don't worry about your tails because you can always cut them off at the end to match up. Okay? Then once you get it about the big as a bow that you want it to be, play around with it. You're going to pull it from the top down to the middle. Just like that. See how simple that was? Then you're just going to squeeze it in the middle, scrunch it like in the middle there, and zip tie it off or pipe cleaner, whatever you want. See how fast and easy that was? Really, really easy, guys. Anybody can do this. And I'm going to show you again how we did it. And then I'm going to show you how we're going to make a dovetail, which you've seen a million times, but I'll show you again. And you can just fluff it out. And right here, I'm going to dovetail it. Snip, snap, and there we go. Show you again, just crisscross it and then just bring it down from the middle. So simple. See how easy that was? Coming up, I'm going to show you where I made a bunch of them and we're going to place them together and make one big bow. I just picked the colors that were in my flowers. And if you hear snoring, guys, it's my dogs. It's nap time around here. Okay, and then I'm just going to build it, and then I'm going to zip tie them, and I'll lay it down on the table so I can pull the zip tie tight. And just pull it tight, and then I'll fluff out the bow. I did glue my bow on, but I didn't glue it on really super thick because I'm going to probably reuse this bow again in another project somewhere sometime. Like I said, I believe in repurposing. And since I'm not selling this, I'll tear it apart and do something with all the other stuff. Then I made you can take a piece of bow or a ribbon and make like a little middle section there, or you could do like I did and I just made like a little floral something to cover up the zip tie there. Whatever you prefer. Then like I said, I just glued that on, and you're going to see in a little bit, if you don't do it with the rubber band, you could always make a band with the bow here and tie around to the back. I just glued the bow like this on front, but I'm going to take a rubber band and you'll see what I do with it. See, I bring it up. It holds the flowers in. If you don't, the umbrella will open up and the flowers will fall out. Well, look how cute this is, you guys. It's so adorable. And I got a lot of compliments, excuse me, this weekend. Even my boyfriend complimented on it, and he don't normally do that, but he did. And family members said how cute it was. Super fast to do it, easy, cute. I hope you guys try it. Coming up next is going to be my little rustic bunny that I got in our haul, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy this too. And if you can find a little rustic wicker bunny like this, it'd be something cute to do. This is the wicker bunny I got at the revolving closet in my hometown. And then Patty, we went out with my cousins on Saturday, a little thrifting, and Patty found this, and it's got the eggs and little bunnies on it. I said, oh, it's perfect because that's what I'm going to use in my little wicker bunny I got. And then some flowers and stuff I had on hand. This project took, maybe 3 minutes to do. I just shoved that down in there and placed it around and played around, spread it out the way I wanted it. And then I glued the bunny that fell off of it back on. And it was pretty heavy. It's like a clay bunny. It's pretty heavy. But I just think, I just wanted something rustic but cute. And it sits on my table, and I just think it's adorable. I'm getting ready to glue that bunny on. And then I just played around with adding the flowers. And I add a couple little eggs that I had in my stash as well. You can use whatever colors. I just want flowers, but I just wanted to use something really dainty, and I thought these flowers looked real dainty. And just play around. If you guys can find a wicker bunny like this or something similar to it, I mean, it's an easy little project to do. I just wanted to show you what I did with one of the thrift store finds that we found and what I did with it. You guys have a happy Easter, and I hope you guys subscribe and like, and please leave a comment. Really would appreciate it. You guys have a happy Easter, and God bless you. See how cute this is when it's finished? I just think it's adorable. Thank you guys. Remember, subscribe, give us a like. We appreciate all of you. God bless.